Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
तो हम आपको नहीं दिलाएंगे। लवीना नहीं आएगी तो हम आपको नहीं दिलाएंगे। ये ऐसे ही रोज मुझे बोलते हैं रोज।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
What about Gary?
How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. कैसे है?
If you really want to see one beautiful art and craft workshop, then please go through my YouTube channel, which says Creative Hand Magic. So you can go through my YouTube channel and you can see
Good
lots
evening,
of
ma'am. Good
art
evening,
and
ma'am.
craft
Good evening,
tutorials.
ma'am. Good evening, 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 ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am? How are you, ma'am?
Good evening, ma'am.
What are we going to draw today, ma'am? What are we going to draw? What we will draw today, ma'am? Tell me what we will draw today. How are you, ma'am?
How are you, ma'am?
We will draw. What we will draw? What we will draw, ma'am? What we will draw? What we will draw? What we will draw? What we will draw, ma'am? How are you, ma'am? Good evening, ma'am. 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 Good evening. Everybody is typing in the chat. Why do we have to click this? Why?
How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. 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 Good evening, ma'am.
Just mute your mic. It's not a Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. How are you? Good evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? Good evening, ma'am. How are you? Whether you are telling
Evening, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? And what we will draw today? Tell us. We will draw Devi Durga, I think.
if you mute
Yes, it is Navratri.
if you mute
Navratri.
he will not Hi, ma'am. You will draw something according to Navratri.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening.
Ma'am.
You will draw something. What you are telling?
Evening, ma'am.
Everybody just mute.
No, we will not mute until
He will
everybody.
not mute. Then lies will
We will not click this. No. We will not click
Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
My spelling is wrong.
Good
My
evening,
spelling is wrong.
Who is good evening, ma'am?
Go die.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sarigama Padhanisa.
I'm told, please be quiet. Now be quiet, please. I'm told, please be quiet.
No, and we will not keep quiet. We quiet. Not keep quiet. We will not keep quiet. Please mute us, ma'am. Please mute us, ma'am. We will not keep quiet. No, we will not click this link. Why we will not keep quiet?
Okay, that's your choice. If you don't want, you can skip it. Don't click it. I'm not forcing you to click it.
Evening, good evening, good evening.
Ma'am, are we going to draw David?
What are we going to draw today? Today we will draw Devi Durga today.
We will draw Durga Ji. Durga Ji. We will draw the Durga Ji. Yay!
We will not.
No! No!
We will draw something important too. You all are everybody listen. Whoever hello. Whoever is listening,
Dun, 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 dun.
If you want, you can click on this link which I shared you with on the chat box. If you want, you can click that.
If we will click it, what will happen?
It is just my YouTube channel. You can go to. It's her YouTube. If you like it, you can subscribe. It's my YouTube channel.
Okay.
whoever is telling good evening, ma'am heard it, and whoever
If you want,
whoever is
if you want to, you can click, or if you don't want, skip it.
But what is
the donkey.
Hello? So now you can also click to see my YouTube channel. I also have one.
Firstly, click my YouTube channel and subscribe them. See, if you will subscribe my YouTube channel, then I will subscribe your YouTube channel. Okay, so you can subscribe.
I'm just clicking
Hello, good evening, my dear students. Am I audible? Can you show your thumbs up if you can hear me? And so many beautiful artworks on my screen. I can see this is Svetlana and Kirtana and coffee art and pen texture by Presha and Sinita and Spandan were beautiful doodle art in very nice work. And Diva, it is really looking great. You tried your own colors, but very nice work. So I'm very happy with the way you are implementing, the way you are learning, way you are getting instructions. Anya, it is really wonderful. And Nivriti, Rohika, great and outstanding work. So, chalo, without delay, we will start today's work. Now, any guesses what we are going to learn today? Abhirami. Abhirami, very nice work. And Hansuja, lovely watercolor painting. Chalo, so without delay, we will start now, okay? So, any guesses what we are going to learn today? Yes, Devi Durga. It's very clear, hai na? Devi Durga's drawing. But till now, we were learning mixed media in coloring, right? But today, we are going to do this experiment for drawing also. It means in one artwork, we will be having mixed media of different art. Like here, we are going to add little folk art. We are going to add little abstract. And we are going to learn your favorite, the most demanded one-stroke painting. Okay? So Devi Durga's drawing, we will connect to one-stroke painting. And in a very different and beautiful way, we will implement. So without delay, let's get started. Okay? So say first of all, for this, you're going to keep your paper vertically. Keep your paper vertically. First, I will give you show you basic proportion, and then I will give you closer view. So see my file I kept vertically. And this is center of my page. This is center of my page. Okay. So see here, I want to show some characters dancing, playing mridang, and manjiras. You know manjira? I don't know in. Okay. Abstract art, it means nirakar in Hindi, without shape. It is not realistic. It is completely your imagination, what you see in your imagination. So there is no definite and particular and shape, but it's a freestyle expression, and it is called abstract art. Okay, nirakar in Hindi we call it nirakar. So see, this is my center. I will be taking, see here, I want to show in abstract form, I want to show my Devi Durga here. So I think I shall take 5 fingers distance from here. Slightly below here, 4 and 1, I will mark 4 and 1 more, that is 5. Come on, take 5 fingers distance and draw a line. 5 fingers distance, it's beautiful, Razima. Very nice. Shabash. Please do send it on Instagram, okay? Great work. Chalo, to I will draw a line. It is 5 fingers big, 5 fingers, 4 and 1. Okay. Now I'm going to give you close-up view, because now you know that how I used my file. Okay. Now this close-up view will definitely help you. Naina, we started nothing more as you joined just now. This is 5 fingers big line. Okay. This line is 5 fingers big. Straight line. And I will be taking here 2 fingers on the top. This is 5 now. 2 fingers. 1 this side, 1 this side. I will mark first and I will keep it equal. 2 fingers. Okay, this is 2 fingers distance, 1 finger this side, and this is the middle line, 5 fingers big. abstract art, and Devi Durga. And Devi Durga is the one who is feeding this, is taking care of this complete earth, and the one who has created this world. So we will connect it with floral. We will try to create abstract using one stroke painting. The backside we are going to show the nature, and in that, in abstract form, we will show our Devi Durga's role. So see, this is 2 fingers distance. Make a light line because you're going to erase this, and you will be making a triangular. Draw a triangle. Okay. Hold your pencil loose, so your lines will automatically come very light. I'm making my lines comparatively dark so that you can see my lines clearly. But your sketch should be very, very. I will definitely keep your suggestion in mind. Okay. Vidya Lakshmi, I will keep your suggestion in mind. Okay. And today is International Navy Day. I don't remember. Maybe one very special day is also today. So I took 5 fingers long, 2 fingers big, 5. Slightly bigger than, I will deduct it. This is 5. Okay. Can I check this? Because this is the beginning of our drawing, and it should be perfect. And make lines very light so that, and yes, Soumya is showing drawing which we learned last year on, and it was a mirror technique. Anna? Yes, very good. Wonderful. Air Force Day. Yes, Neha, it's correct. Air Force Day. Today is Air Force Day also. Now, I will be showing from here 2 diagonal lines. And diagonal, it doesn't mean very steeply sloping. No, gently sloping. Gently. How much big? 4 fingers. You can make it gently sloping, 4 fingers big line. Same here. Okay, this basic measurement will help you gaining your perfection and symmetry in your work. Okay, so whenever you are planning any drawing, suppose you are making on canvas, so then it is very difficult to erase. Okay, so what you do, you very with lots of patience, you first decide that from where till where my lines will come. In previous class, we learned texture, pen art. We learned pen art. We gave this complete background with coffee. And then we gave texture with a pen. And this artwork we learned last class, previous class. After this, I will start with my artwork. Okay. So first of all, from here, I will be making my eyebrows of Devi Durga. So it will go slanting. So how I'm going to do, I will be making a C. Till this 4 and give a curve. Give a curve. Come down and give a curve. Come on. Use this. Okay. So I will be showing eyebrow. How much big? I will draw a C and then a curve. Okay. Now I'm repeating once again. I took my paper vertically. Okay. And then I took 5 fingers distance. I took 2 fingers distance. I just draw a triangle. Then from the corner of this triangle, I draw 2 slanting lines, taking 4 fingers distance. And now I'm using those lines for making eyebrows. First, till this end of this point, I'm writing C. Same I'm going to do here. Same I will be doing here. I will draw a C. Very carefully. with stable hands. And you're going to make it little bold from here, thick from here, and gradually thin. Okay, same here, you will be making it little thick from here and gradually thin. Okay. So see, when we decide these diagonal lines, very easily we draw our eyebrows for Devi Durga. I'm repeating Vidya Lakshmi. I'm giving a quick revision. I took 5 fingers big line, then 2 fingers line distance above. I draw a diagonal line, and taking 4 fingers distance, I draw 2 very gently sloping lines. And I use that for making eyebrows. I draw C and then a curve. C and then a curve. Can I check this? Yeah, perfect. And hold your pencil loose. Okay, hold your pencil loose so that, and see the shape. This is flat. This is flat. Don't make it curved and make it thick from here. Thick, give it a shape, because I can see many of you have not given shape. Thick from here and gradually thin. This is very important. And eyebrow should be done perfectly. You also do this, Dikshita. Make it little thick from front. Yes, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, give it a shape. See, here I made it a little thick. And here, I will leave some distance. I will take almost 1 finger distance, and from here, 1 finger distance from nose, and almost 1 finger distance from this eye line. I will be making a diagonal line going almost, see, this is diagonal line. I will start this way, and keeping 1 finger distance from this line, I will give this kind of shape to my eyes. Diagonal. Okay. No, for Durga Puja, we don't have any kind of holiday. And same, you are going to do here. 1 finger distance here, 1 finger distance from here, and you will be making a diagonal line. And almost straight and curve. Make sure you will work with lots of patience for symmetry of your work. And our eyes are the most attractive part of Devi Durga's image and picture. We will do it with lots of patience. Okay. See, I took 1 finger distance from here. It is 1 finger distance and 1 finger distance from nose. And it is diagonal and straight. Actually, this line is like this. Okay, but if when you curve, give a curve, it will look like this. And as I want to show a big eye, here, from here, it is a straight line. See, if I will show it in geometric shape, it is straight line and then curve. Okay, but you will give it straight and give a curve. Okay, give a curve. Straight, curve. Here, diagonal, almost straight. Okay. Khushi Gupta, we are learning drawing of Devi Durga. I think you joined just now. That's why you don't know. Students, as I told you, and I want to repeat this again, for on very special occasion of Devi Durga's occasion, we are here with offer which is for the first time such beneficial, budget-friendly, pocket-friendly budget we are with, in which you will get complete discount of 5,200 rupees. It means if you go for 6 months enrollment, the fees will be just 2,000. And this is only and only so that those who want to learn for long to run, it will be easily affordable for them. And because of this factor, at least, they will not discontinue class. And please share this with your friends, relatives, school friends, cousins. And this offer, as registrations are happening through application. So once the seats are filled, this package will expire. Okay, this offer will expire. So hurry and grab this opportunity, and please do share it with your friends and relatives also. It's a lovely offer. Okay, so see, and I will make this upper lid dark. Come on, from here, make it dark and gradually make it dark. And it is very important. Even eyebrows, when I was looking at work of students, so many of you did made eyebrow very thin. No, give a shape to eyebrow. And same I'm going to do here. I will be making it thick from here and gradually thin. It's like lotus petal. Okay. Try to maintain symmetry. You can make it little big. All of you see, if you will make this part, this portion, if you will make little big and give a curve, your eyes will look more lively. Okay, make it little big and curve from here. Okay, the very beautiful eyes with kajal of Devi Durga. Okay, see, it's looking like a lotus petal. You go slow, but do it nicely. I'm giving a quick revision. I took 5 fingers distance, and then I took 2 fingers distance and I draw a triangle. Then I draw 4 fingers, big diagonal lines. I use that for making eyebrows. I took 1 finger distance from nose and from this line, and I draw eyes for this diagonal line and straight, and here straight and then diagonal. And this way I completed my eyes. And I will be making eyeball. This is big. You will be making big eyeballs. Same here. Okay, like with big eyes. Shatakshi, the name of Devi Durga is Shatakshi also. It means thousands of eyes. With hundreds and thousands of eyes, she's looking at everyone, feeding everyone. So we are going to connect it with nature. We are going to show nature. And see, next class, we are going to use leaves. So please be ready with leaves. Okay, so we will add some leaf impression also. You can take tulsi leaf, you can take meetha neem leaf, some big, some small leaves. So we will add some impression of leaves also. So be ready with that, okay? I will be making one more. And don't forget to make 1 and 2 dots. Any leaf you can take. Neem leaf, whatever is available in your garden or easily available, you can take that. Okay? No, we will not outline it. We will give it a shape according to. So now see, after this, I will complete nose. For making nose, can I check this much? All of you, lift up your files and show. Yeah, wonderful. Great, amazing. Okay, shabash. Okay, to see how easily using this method, we are able to make perfect face. Erase this line. Erase this line. Okay, you will erase this middle line also. We don't need this. Okay, erase all lines, make your face clean. And now you're leaving little distance. You will show one C. Flat, it is flat. Okay. See, just below this pointed part. I will see and make my eyebrows a little more big if required. And if you feel that my eyebrows can be a little more big and it will look better, we can even extend. Even as I feel that if my eyebrows will be a little more big, it will look better. I extend my eyebrows. Okay. Now this C and on both the sides. Now after this, we will draw C. Okay, C. And this complete is going to be 3 fingers. Okay, 3 fingers. C. Okay. And you will make eyes, nose like this. Flat, C, and this. And this complete is 3 fingers, not big than this. Okay, 3 fingers. From here till here, it is 3 fingers. A flat C and 2 brackets. And without this nut. From where you will take your nut? From here. Okay, the circle should go from here and from here. So you will place it this way. Here. Okay. And I will be making it from here and inside. You can go for free hand, otherwise you can use a bangle. Okay. And don't forget to add beads here. 3 enough. Because we are going to show with lines. Okay, we are going to show complete nature using leaf impression, one stroke painting flowers, and we will connect that everywhere in everything around, because nature is one which is on, because of it we are alive. So this nature is what? It is again goddess. So we will connect our concept of Devi Durga with it. Can I check this? Okay, use mom's bangle. It is perfect size for making nut. It is called nut. Okay, this jewelry is called nut. And from where you will start, all of you see, it will finish here. Okay, and it will start from nose. And how much wide the nose is? This 3 fingers wide, 3 fingers. Okay. So make a big nose ring. Okay. Yes, I know many of you are rushing in search of it. Next class, so many things are supposed to be ready with your watercolors, your paint brushes, flat brush, round brush, some leaves, because we will add some leaves, because we are going to create a complete colorful background using one stroke painting. Okay, and we will add some texture art in that. And here we are going to use Worli to show the characters, those who are worshipping Devi Durga. Okay, so in this artwork, abstract, impression, one stroke, everything we are going to mix. So this is a very good mixed media kind of artwork we are going to learn. Okay, now this is the middle. See, this is the center. If you will see, this is center. So just below here, I will take almost not exactly 1, not exactly 2, more than 1. This is the middle, right? This is the middle of my page. So here, more than 1, slightly more than 1. You will take a point and draw V. Take middle, V. Eyes I'm showing again, Trina. What I did, see, this is almost slanting line and this is straight line, if you will see. And here it is straight line and it is slanting line. If I will make it roughly, so it is this, and here it is this, big and small. And if I will give curve, so you will find this shape. Okay. So first you draw bold shape, rough shape, and then give curves. In junior batch, we learned today drawing of firefighters. So small v, and below this is V, okay? Just below this, you take a point and draw very gently sloping curve. How much big this curve should be? It can be 5 fingers big. 5 fingers, okay? 4 and 1. Overall, 5 fingers. Yes, I'm waiting. What I did, slightly more than 1 finger distance I took. I draw a V. I took little distance, I draw this space 1. And I will leave 1 finger distance and draw a line. I will draw a line. Eyes, we draw diagonal line. This is a kind of S. See, if you will connect it to letters, it is S. And then this is C. S and C, so you will find the same shape. Okay, now let's complete lips. What I did, I took 1 finger distance, I took a point, I draw V. Then a little distance, I took a point, 5 fingers broad line. It's a curve. I want to show Mother Durga smiling, and little distance here. And I will connect and make smile. Okay, give a shape and connect. Same here. Connect. Okay, connect it. And this way is the face is almost executed. Very simple. You can erase the standing line. No need of this. Erase it. Okay. Now in background, we are going to show complete nature using leaf impression, floral, and we will highlight it with black, bindi with red, and here the figures with white, and whatever color we will see is suitable. Let's complete face. Can I check this much? All of you, please lift up your fork and show. It's extremely beautiful, extremely beautiful. And here we are not going to make lines of face. Okay, we will just make eyes as if like Shatakshi, the name I told you earlier also, the name of Devi Durga is Shatakshi. With countless eyes can see everyone. So here we want to see this every time we are in observation of Devi Durga, and she's showering blessings over us, showing her protection. So see, this phase I completed lips, and here in middle a small bindi, in middle, this middle line, okay? And then C. We are going to make shape like crescent moon. Anjana, on your demand, I showed it again 2-3 times better. Still I will repeat for you. 4 and 1, 5. 5 fingers long line. Then 2 fingers wide, I draw a triangle. Okay. And then here I draw C. And on both sides, like bracket, I show C again. And this complete measurement is 3 fingers. Okay. So this phase we completed. Is this clear, Anjana? You can even show third eye, or you can show bindi. So I'm going to show this kind of bindi. Normally we make this kind of bindi. You can make third eye also. So for this, you will be making a C. Very carefully you draw this. And V. C and V. And make sure that you'll be making with lots of patience. We are not going to show face. We'll leave our Devi Durga this phase only. Okay, and features very sharp. Make kajal very thick on this upper eyelid also and lower one also. It will be quite thick on upper one. You know, come on, finish this. And take care of eyebrow also. You can make it thick from here, you know, enough thick from here and thin from backside. If you feel that eyebrow is looking smaller, you can make it a little more broad. Okay. Yes. So this way, this is done. And now we will start with the characters, worshipping them. And for that, we are going to use Worli art. Okay, Worli art, a folk art. Now see here, when I took measurement, this is going slanting. It is wrong. I will correct it. That's why I just took the, it will come in center. Can I check everyone's work? Will you please lift up and show? Huh. Perfect, amazing. Okay, so if you want to draw freehand, suppose, and now if you feel like to draw complete Devi Durga's face, so simply you can draw a U shape around, make ear, karnful and crown Devi Durga is wearing, but no, our concept is absolutely different. Okay, we are going to show abstract of nature. We want to connect Devi Durga's blessings with nature. And nature is what? Blessings of Goddess Durga. Okay, now I'm going to show three characters. They are dancing, they are worshipping Devi Durga. I will come downwards. We have space downwards. And here I will be showing the first one, 2 here and 2 on side. Okay, so first let's decide face. For this, I will be taking this much big face. Oval you can take. Okay, no need to take a very big because we don't have that much big space. Come on, oval. And I will be showing using Worli art for showing. And in dresses with earbird, I will be showing lovely patterns to make it looking more interesting. Worli art is also known as cave art also. And here we use, these are just like line figures, okay? And male and female, like here I'm going to show male and female both. So you will be able to understand, you will understand that what is, how we show, we differentiate. Srijita, you don't know. It means what you're telling about, beta. Your message is not clear. See, I made this kind of circles, and now I'm going to draw 11 to show neck, and I will be showing dance. You know, she's dancing. Here I'm going to show a girl, and here a male member, female, male. Male is playing a drum and female is dancing. Okay, like you can show Garba, Dandiya, but simple dance I'm going to show you. Okay, and I'm going to use Worli art here. I will be showing now. See, I just showed a diagonal line. Even here you can show a diagonal line and simply cross. Okay, and here, how much big it is? It is 4 fingers big. 4 fingers big, okay? And 2 fingers wide. 2 fingers wide and 4 fingers big. It means each block is 2 fingers. Okay, as continuously I'm getting message what we learn in junior batch. Although it is not outlined, but I will show. We learn a firefighter. We learned drawing of firefighter in this junior batch. It was highly demanded. Helpers, our helpers drawing. Srijita, you please message on Instagram. Clear message, so I will reply you there. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will be showing Mridang. Okay, see how will I show? This way is big C, one more big C here, and show this kind of oval shape on both the sides. Come on. Okay, now using very simple method, we are going to show the celebration of Navratri. Okay, the festive look. So I draw flat C here, flat C here. You can show this kind of two circles. And this ways you will be showing. Okay. Hands, you can show any other position also because this is line figure. So here, and see if you feel that you have lots of space, you can add more characters also. See, this is 2 fingers wide and 4 fingers big. And I just draw this face. I draw the C and 2 oval shapes, 2 dots inside, and I'm going to write V. V. I will be making a belt around neck. And legs. Okay, any position, because here you're not supposed to be very much particular about the, you can try any other position, any other posture of Varli art, you know, because here you can do so many. If you want to show Garba, they are playing Garba, you can show Dandiya. And so this ways you can try. So here this is male figure and here this is female. For female, they make a jewelry this ways. Okay, this is the difference. This is the only difference between male and female figure in Varli art. Okay, and here I want to show she's dancing. And showing, you know, dance and singing. Devi Durga love this all. That's why during Navratri we play Dandiya, we do Garba. Okay, I showed this posture and we are going to make it more interesting by making some patterns with earbud. To see my second pattern, male and female. Okay. And as it is Varli art, we are not going to do much in this. Here I want to show this girl is playing manjiras. I don't know in English what we call manjiras. If you know anyone, see this flat to diya size metal, and we just, no, dandiya is about 2 sticks. Manjiras. I will show you will understand then. And here I want to show one more. And you will be I will be showing. Okay. And you can see they are completely lost in bhakti. They are devoted, completely devoted in dance and all. She is holding this manjiras. I will be showing oval and its string. Okay. And one is here. You can see oval shape. It's like flat bowls with strings. Okay. If you want to show her as a female, we did a girl with puja thal. Yes. But here we will be learning this complete artwork using one stroke painting. And next class, you can show Okay, you can show this as a girl. And I will be showing one more with Diya. Okay, I'm going to show one with Diya. I will be showing head upwards and completely this ways I will be showing body. Okay, here I can go a little fast because yeah, these are just okay. And if you have more space, you can add many more. But I will add only Diya's because I just want to connect it with, yeah. So with various simplicity, you can show one female here and simply show. Worli art is very famous, not only in India, worldwide. And the simplicity of this artwork is actually the beauty of this artwork. So see, we just showed these characters all around and Devi Durga's complete face in center. Okay, I will be and very smartly what we are going to do, we will be making as Bindi is going to be red, so we will be using flowers with orange and yellow here. And here, as you're going to make these figures white, so we will add lots of red this side or any dark color. Okay. And let's see that how it happens. And this is our today's complete artwork. Can I check your work? All of you? Wow, it's looking outstanding and amazing. And a very different way of showing our Devi Durga's drawing. Beautiful. Great. Okay. And using one stroke painting. What is one stroke painting? I got a question. What is one stroke painting? See, students, normally when we paint and want to give shades, so we apply one color, then light color, then we mix. But in one stroke painting, what we do, we create our shade, desired shade in brush or cotton, whatever we are using, and we just go for one stroke. So it saves lots of time and the output is very transparent and very appealing. Okay. So one stroke painting is this, and we are going to connect today's artwork with one stroke painting. So finish this and then we will do practice on rough paper. Achha, all of you, do you have cotton and watercolors available today? All of you? If no, you can show thumbs down. No. Okay. So in that case, we can do one more thing. We can try this on rough paper. One stroke painting. Yes, Advita, we tried this. But here we are going to try big flowers. Okay, big flowers. I will be showing on rough paper. Finish this first and then we will start with practice. And those who are having cotton, they will start with their cotton. And if you don't have, not to worry. We are going to do our final work next class. Okay. Just a minute. Freedom Fighters drawing Prisha is kept somewhere. I will have to find it out. And okay. Chalo. So now those who are having colors, they will be doing on rough paper. And those who are not having, they will see, okay, how we are doing. So it will guide you, it will help you that how we are going to implement on our complete artwork. So I will keep my work and no outline is required. Nobody will give outlines in this. Okay, next class, be ready with your 0 or 1 number or 2 number paintbrush because outlines will be given. Okay, with white or whatever, earbuds, cotton, watercolors, and oil pastel also you keep ready. Okay, so thank you so much, Srinidhi, for sharing this information. हाँ, तो चलो, we will start with work. I will take little cotton and I will show you that how we are going to show our flower. Okay, I will take little cotton. A plate is required. Just a minute, I will get a plate. Yes, now let's get started. Water is already available. Now what I'm going to do, now all of you see and then start. Okay, I will remove this file, otherwise my color will come over it. And keep some leaves ready because we are going to take impression of it in our complete background. See, I will take water. Cotton is available and I will take two colors. Let's take pink and blue, or you can start with dark lighter one, orange and yellow also. Okay, so I will take two colors. Yes. Now see what I'm going to do. I will make a flower. I will dip my cotton in water, remove extra water. I will take enough cotton, not small, little. I will take enough. I will take red. I will take yellow. Red, yellow. Okay. Now see how we are going to do. First, I will take little red on my cotton. This cotton is wet, right? Little water is there. I will spread it because my outer leaves are going to be big. I will spread it and gradually I will keep shrinking its size. I will take it big. I will take little red. You can see first and then we all will start together. Okay, this practice, if you want, with help of recorded class, you can try. I will add little yellow in this side. And on a plate, in your plate, you are going to create your shade, because here I'm going to use this cotton as for one stroke painting. So what I will be doing, I will start tapping. And when I will start tapping, color will start mixing. Okay, here it is prominently red. Okay, and I want little red. Okay, I will mix it. And when I will mix, it will look like this. Little, you can see in plate, the mixing of color. Can you see this? Okay, you can see the color tones, these are mixed. I can spread it little if I want little bigger leaves. And I will start making a circle. Come on. I will place, pick up, place, pick up, place, pick up. I will take little more red, little more yellow. You can make it little more broad. As I'm doing, I'm just dragging it little. And I can make my outer circle. Okay. After making outer circle, I will take little more yellow. I will shrink it little and I will go for one more round. You can go for one more round. And finally, with paintbrush, I can simply add this kind of shape. See, U and one more U. And few lines straight and this way. Okay. So I will be adding this U, one more U, and I will add few petals this way. Okay. So simply I will be showing it on this kind of paper. As it was a photo sheet, I will be showing it on normal paper. Okay. On normal paper, when you will try, it will simply look like this, like rose petal. See the transparency of the flower. Okay. This way. Simply. And if you feel that I want to make this kind of petals, so you can simply turn this ways and go for one more layer. So this ways you can make, if you want to make only 5 petals, you can go for 5 petals also. You can go for 3 too. You can go for some simple petals if you want to go for small. Anyways, if you want to make this kind of, I've just took color once. I took it once and gradually I will decrease size. Okay. And now you see, after getting connected with colors, you will see each one will look unique and amazing. I will connect them all with colors now. Okay. So see, I'm connecting this. See, this is simply and this ways your flowers then will get complete. So see, what we did, I will be showing with close distance that how they are looking now. So the transparency which you can see the transparency of the work. When we will doing it fair, you will see its beauty because we use red and yellow. We will use some contrast color, orange and yellow, and this kind of colors. And see, with no time, without spending much time, we completed this kind of work. So this is called one stroke painting. Okay. This kind of artwork. See now, see, this is a very different shape. So if I just place it little wisely, I will find, I can drag it also. I can drag it also if I want to make rose. See, I'm dragging it now. Okay. I'm dragging it. These are 2 colors automatically getting mixed. One more layer. See, one more layer. And finally, last but not the least, it is green. And you can see it's ready. Okay, this is called one stroke. So see, using cotton, automatically we find the mixing of colors. We are going to use very light colors, light and dark gradually. You all are having recording of this class and you will try it. And besides this, we are going to make flowers using paint brushes also. Like we will be using a round brush, a flat brush, and we will use impression art also. Impression, it means leaves. So please be ready with all things. water container, 2-3 plates, some leaves, little cotton, earbud. We are going to make some flowers with earbud. I will be showing with earbud also. So please do practice of these all flowers whenever you find time. Okay, like for with earbud, if you want to try, you will simply go for, you can even take 2 colors, otherwise 1 color. Gradually your color will become light. And this kind of flower sticks you can try using. Okay, this kind of flower sticks can also be tried. And so these are different artworks which we will be learning. Please do practice in rough, and you can even send it. Like I can see Kirtana has already made so many flowers, and they are really looking very transparent and beautiful. Those who have done, can they show? Huh? Samanvita, what happened? Okay, so this is the way we will be doing, and this one stroke painting needs little practice. Okay, and why I'm using cotton? Because it is the easiest for making this one stroke painting. So we will start with cotton, and afterwards slowly and slowly in short interval we will pick up paintbrush also, flat brush also. So take 2 colors, tap it on plate. You can take good combinations like fluorescent pink with yellow. You can take sky blue with some very light colors you can take. I took 2 dark colors to show contrast, but you can go for very lovely combinations and try. Orange with pink look very good. So take 2 colors. First wet cotton, take 2 colors. If you want to keep light color prominent, you will take more amount of light and little dark. Tap it on plate. When it is mixed, you just place and finish. Like see here, it is red and yellow is the impact of red and yellow. Here you can see red and yellow. So this way is this output you will find. Okay. So this was all about our today's learning. Next class is going to be full of excitement. This was drawing of freedom fighters. We learned it few days back on Independence Day. So this was all about our today's learning. Next class is going to be very challenging because of big artwork with one stroke, impression, then outline, so many things. If you're practicing one stroke, you can send your artwork on my Instagram ID. And once again, a reminder for this very, very attractive pocket-friendly offer. It is available for a few days till seats are not occupied. Once seats are occupied, then it will expire. And according to it, you will get complete benefit of 5,200 rupees discount. Okay, if you go for long-term 6 months plan, so at the place of 7,200, you will be paying just 2,000 rupees. Please share it with your friends so that in this journey of learning, we all can stay tuned and connected, and we all can go creative. Okay, and that's why, so that maximum students can take and learn. And for that, fee should not be a matter. We are here with this attractive offer. So please share it with your friends. So this was all about our today's artwork. Next class, we will finish it. Okay, and practice the technique which I taught you, so that next class when you will be doing on final, you will be able to do it very nicely. We are going to use very silky and beautiful colors next class. Okay. Drawing of Durga. Okay, okay. I'm going to show, I'm showing you drawing of Durga. I just close file, otherwise the spots can come over. Yes, see, this is complete artwork of today's work. This is our complete artwork. Okay. So we learn this drawing using some simple methods. Next class, we are going to complete it. We are going to color it. And Sriniti, I will definitely check your video. So with this, I will wind up class. Lots of blessings. Bye-bye. Take care. And no outlines. Nobody will give outlines in this because this is watercolor work. If you will give outline and then we will make our flowers and all, what will happen? This complete work will get spoiled. So please don't go for that. Okay. And do practice of the technique which I taught, and try to see that how the variation of color is coming in your cotton. Because if you will practice, your flowers will come perfect in our final output. Okay. So with lots of love, I'm winding up. May God bless you. Bye-bye. Take care. Good night.